Men always want to be a woman's first. Love women like to be a man's last romance. We live in an age when unnecessary things are our only necessities. Always forgive your enemies, because nothing annoys them so much. Truth indeed is a thing that is most painful to listen to, and most painful to utter. We are all in the gutter, but some of us are looking at the stars. True friends stab you in the front. Be yourself, everyone else is already taken. The one charm of the past is that it is in the past. Most people are other people. Their thoughts are someone else's opinions, their lives a mimicry. Their passions a quotation. Only the shallow know themselves. Women are meant to be loved, not to be understood. The only difference between the saint and the sinner is that every saint has a past and every sinner has a future. The terror of society, which is a basis of morals, the terror of God, which is the secret of religion. These are the two things that govern us. Experience is one thing you can't get for nothing. To get back to one's youth, one is merely to repeat one's follies. Experience is merely the name men gave to their mistakes. Each man lived his own life and paid his own price for living it. Nowadays people know the price of everything and the value of nothing. You can never be overdressed or overeducated. Anyone who lives within their means suffers from a lack of imagination.